Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: differential, heavy-duty locking rear, air cleaner, high-capacity, four-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, body, chassis cab, frame, fully boxed, hydrofoam front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.